The thing that sets Kuraray apart primarily is the people that I get to work with. Kuraray is one of the most unique places in terms of the family atmosphere that we have.
We work on projects together, we address issues together. People aren't afraid to say, this is what I'm good at, this is what I'm not good at. I feel a real sense of family that I think a lot of companies advertise, but it's really hard to pull off.
You know, I'm very familiar with everybody that I work with, and it makes it really easy. It's a good team to come back, and we all support each other.
Kuraray offers a great balance between rewarding, challenging work and a supportive, collaborative environment.
There's always challenges, there's always opportunities to learn new things.
I enjoy coming to work, I enjoy what I do, I enjoy the people I work with.
I know many people who've been with Kuraray for over 20 plus years. In fact, we have one person who's been here for 50 years.
The cooperation between maintenance and production is very close, tight-knit, and everybody's willing to help each other.
Kuraray here is more hands-on, so I'm able to go in the field, work with the technicians, work with the maintenance team, and work with technical to solve problems and implement projects and processes.
It's really awesome to be able to talk to others from other sites, other facilities within Kuraray, and collaborate on those opportunities as well. You're going to get a competitive wage, you're going to get competitive benefits, you're going to work in a family environment where people are there to help you. You're going to walk into an environment where people are willing to help you, and you're going to be collaborating with engineers, operators, maintenance people, all these different groups of people. So just be open, step into it, and don't be afraid.
This is a great place to work. It's a good place to learn, grow. Lots of opportunities here. The compensation and benefits are good. For a young engineer who's looking for a place to grow their career, this is a great opportunity here to work as a team and kind of grow this process.
So it could be training and other mentoring. So if you really want to grow yourself, you'll get full supports from the management.
You know, they really want their people to succeed and grow professionally. And, you know, really, I hadn't experienced that much in my career until Kuraray, and I'm very thankful for that aspect.
If an engineer is starting here at Fayetteville Works, I would recommend to you to be open-minded, willing to learn, and also not being uncomfortable not knowing everything, because that's part of the learning process.
Make sure you shadow someone that's been in the site for a very long time, that knows the in and out. There's a lot of experience with such people, and that you follow instruction and you pay attention to details.
Do not be afraid to get out there and look at things yourself. Don't always rely on somebody else saying, oh yeah, that's the way it is. Get out there and watch what's happening. Because sometimes paying attention to those details, you can pick up some things that can be improvements for the process.
Don't be afraid to fail, followed up by don't be afraid to ask for help, because this group here is going to help you and make sure you're successful. Failure is part of learning. And I think that goes a long way towards fostering and team building and collaboration inside the organization.